Hello, this is the Abundance Oracle. It is the morning of the storm. I was up actually at 3. I get the news and early in the morning, and then by 3:30, I think it was, the electricity went off here. So we're in Massachusetts. I understand from my battery-powered
say that they have staged crews and resources across the Cape and Islands, and utility officials are directly coordinating with local emergency managers.
my battery-powered radio, so I'm all set with that, and my heat source. And now I got to figure out the entertainment because it sounds like it's going to be a couple days. All right, love you all. Please keep your fingers crossed for us. I wish I could tell you that there's no trees down, but wait till you see. This is what my windows look like here. I mean, I can barely see out. I did, so you can peek a little bit, but very hard. I did put out the bird food, but nobody's coming. I did have to make my way this morning to the other bird food feeder, and also I got into the chicken coop to give them some food. I didn't open their door to let them out because it's just too crazy. I lost one half of my holly tree because I had to climb over it to get to the chicken coop, but I don't think I lost that many more trees. There's no electricity to blow dry hair or anything. So again, 2 days in a row, excuse me for my looks, but okay, here, you see the tree down? Hold on, let me push this up. I think you can, no, it's too hard to get up, okay. You see it? This is what it looks like outside. Crazy. Yeah, it's really not good looking outside, and it is very, very windy. You can see my arches in the garden swaying in the wind. Not good. And it's snow, but it's more like slush, and it's landing on all of the trees, and that's why we have so many outages here, because it's cracking all the, I guess, some of the tree branches, as well as on the roadside. It's very, very heavy to move the snow. So everyone be very, very careful with taking and lifting. Be very careful. Okay, marked as safe and organized and safe. Don't forget that. Y'all need to be organized as well. Okay, love you all. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. The Abundance Oracle. If you haven't subscribed, please help me out. Thanks. Bye.